Most people want to transfer the ownership of their account to another person, and they still don't want their email to be used. All right, that is the ownership of their Binance account. So we are going to go through how to change the email connected to your Binance account and the phone number connected to your Binance account. All right, so anybody want to change phone number or email connected to your Binance account because they want it connected to another email or for some reasons best known to them. So this video should be detailed enough to just show you all that and how it all works. So let's just get in. This process is really very simple, and it can be done from your only from your PC. All right, it cannot be done through the mobile app. So by now, I assume you have a Binance account already that you want to switch this assets, and then you have to log on it on PC just the way you see me log onto mine. The process is just simple, just a simple process. So just follow suit because uh, if you don't understand this, then you might get it wrong. So you have to click on your profile there and then click on security. Go to profile, click on security, then scroll all the way down. You will see change email. You can see email verification and phone number verification. You can see change by their side or removed. Okay, I'm going to start with the email. Click change. Once you click change, you will see that this email cannot be changed. This email cannot be used to register another Binance account in the next 30 days. All right, and then the transaction on this account will be held. There will be no transaction, no P2P transaction on this account for the next 24 hours. That is for the sake. That is for the sake of security. Security. Binance want to make sure that it is you that is doing this thing. So if you don't have access to your account, at least within 24 hours, you should be back to let them know. So what you're gonna do right here is enter the email that you want to switch the ownership to, like you want to switch to. For me, I just enter that email, and then once you enter the email you want to switch to, you send a verification to that email. Okay, so so you should go back to you should have access to that email that you want to switch ownership to, and then you should have access to the previous email as well, because the both will be needed. Code will be sent to the both of them. You can see I just entered the email, so a code is sent to that email. This is the new email I want to add to this account, and then a code is sent to the previous email that was on the account, attached to the account. So, and then a code will be sent to the phone number that's attached to this account. All right, so you have to go to the email and copy these codes individually and paste them in the area where they are meant to be, in the individual areas where they are meant to be. So by the time you are done copying these codes from all these areas and pasting them in their respective boxes, and then you click continue, the process should be sharp and fast. Okay, so let me just do that right away. So if you are following this video, you can just pause it and just do the same thing. All right, and mind you, if you want to make, or let's say the other person want to make a transaction, or the other email want to make a transaction on this account within the next 24 hours after these changes, just know that you can't do that. You have to wait till after 24 hours before you can make any other changes as regarding this Binance account that you will just make changes to. So it's always the case. Like I told you earlier on, it's a security check to protect you, like by Binance. All right, so be sure you're doing the right thing, and be sure that while using your Binance account, be sure that you're not using kind of VPN or something, because it could be hazardous. It could make them block you, and you don't want that. So now that I've entered all this code and everything is checked, then I click verify. Let's see how it goes. Success. I have successfully changed the email attached to this account. Now let's go back to the dashboard now for you to look at it and see it. Okay, I was prompted to log back in to I was logged out to log back in. All right, so right now you will see that it is the new email that I've just attached to this account that I'll be able to log in with. the previous email don't work no more. Okay, it doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to use this new email to log on to this account. All right. So let's wait for it to load. Click the robot, check the robot. All right, and then here we are. They still will send a verification to the phone number that is attached to the account. All right. When I enter that phone code right there, then everything will be done and settled. So you see, the old number is the new email is what I use to log in right now. But normally this account has Binance account. They always send verification to both phone number and email. All right, you can see everything is done nicely without any trouble. So if I click on that my account drop down right there, you see that it's now see Cynthia whatever a minute ago or something email and no longer mine. If I scroll down, you see that the email has been changed. All right, the email has been changed from the one that it was before to a new one. So the same thing applies to the phone number. You go through the same process as well. So this is just the simplest way to change the phone number attached to your Binance account and the email attached to your Binance account. There's no hassle attached to it. All right. In these cases applies to those that want to switch ownership of their account, or maybe they want to attach their Binance account to an email that they are frequent with or that is important to them, or those that like kind of segregation that they want to use their email for a different thing altogether. So thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Subscribe before you go. Subscribe and